Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary J, and on this channel I talk about everything business, marketing, technology and lifestyle. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome. Let's get right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 tools you need as a content writer. I personally use these tools. I can recommend them 100 over 100. The number one tool you need as a content writer is Answer the Public to generate keyword ideas. I love this tool because of how simple it is to use and you just get the work done. So what's there not to love about Answer the Public? Number two is SEMrush for keyword research. I love SEMrush for how simple it is to use and it just get the work done. There are other keyword research tools and platforms, but SEMrush is my personal fave. So what's there not to recommend? Then another tool you need as a content writer is Google Docs for the actual writing. I love Google Docs because it helps me to share my documents easily and it's easy to collaborate. So I rate it 100 over 100. For editing, I personally recommend Grammarly. It's very easy to use and it just gets the job done. So another tool you need as a content writer is Small SEO Plagiarism Checker. This one helps you to check plagiarism. No matter how much original your content is, you still need to check for plagiarism. Your content cannot be all that original. Somebody has already written about somebody had done something on it. So you still have to check out for plagiarism. And Small SEO comes in handy. I love it because of how simple it is and how efficient it is. It gets the job done. Small SEO is actually that babe. It's my fave. Another tool you need as a content writer is Google Sheet to outline and organize your published content. So let's say you don't have a blog and you want to put all of your written content in one place. Google Sheet is that babe. Another tool you need as a content writer is WordPress. This one is for publishing. So there are other publishing platforms you can use like Medium, like Substack, but I personally recommend and use WordPress because I'm looking to monetize my content. So if you're just like me and you want to monetize your content with AdSense or any other advertising platforms, WordPress is a big. Another tool you need as a content writer is Yoast SEO. Again, I love it because of the simplicity and it just gets the work done. So what does Yoast SEO do for on-page optimization? There are others like Rank Math and the rest, but Yoast is that big. If you're looking for simplicity, efficiency, and productivity, Yoast SEO is that big. Another tool you need, which I also personally use as a content writer, is Google Search Console to track impressions and reach. This particularly works for people that are working in-house as a content writer in-house. If you're working with a company as a content writer, you need Google Search Console. Integrate Google Search Console on your website to be able to track your content reach and impression. And it's actually that big. It gets the job done. Another tool you need, which I personally use as a content writer, is Google Analytics to measure engagement. So what Google Analytics does for you is that it shows you how many people, how many active users, how many active readers do you have on your blog, how many people visited it in a day or in the last 7 days, how long they stayed, the page they stayed the most, the device they engaged the most, the countries, anywhere, the regions, just everything you need to know about your users, about your readers. Google Analytics gets the job done. And it's very easy to use, very efficient, and it's actually that big. So these are the 10 tools you need as a content writer. And these are the 10 tools I personally use as a content writer. And trust me, they get the job done seamlessly and very swift. So let me know, what tools do you use as a content writer? And do you want me to do a detailed video on how to use all of these tools? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget, my name is Mary J, and on this channel, I talk about everything business, marketing, technology, and lifestyle. So if this is your first time, if you vibe with this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for engaging. See you in the next video. Bye.